Hello and welcome to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please subscribe to this channel and also click the little bell to be notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'll be showing all the necklaces and chokers that I've made for myself over the last couple of years, and I hope it inspires you to have a go yourself. Enjoy. So I've made all the insides, but obviously I bought the backings and the glass coverings. The spider is a little Halloween toy. The pictures in these two I just cut out of books. There's a plague doctor there. Again, another spider. He's a piece of jewellery, a little charm that I got, and snipped his ring holder off the top of him and then just put him on a big pile of glitter. This one is the devil from a pack of tarot cards. I bought a very cheap pack in the works and used them for cutting up and using in different projects. And this, of course, is the opening line from The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. Once upon a midnight dreary. And there underneath is the little Nevermore gravestone. So here's another one of those spiders. He's this time on just a row of black beads. Looks very simple but really nice statement piece. This is an old cross from an old bit of jewellery with some jet beads that my mum gave me, real jet, those ones. This is a multi-stranded necklace with a lovely sun and moon picture. Which is put inside one of those backings with a couple of little wing charms attached. These are some of my favourites. The spider came from a transfer rubbing, and the little tiny webs came for some earrings, some other earring attachments, and another lovely sun picture under the glass. And this is a pentagram charm with a little bat stuck on it from some earrings, and the velvet ribbon goes through the skull charm which is holding them here. I really like that. Here we can see one of those very popular at the moment raven skulls. He's on a triple necklace. And then over on this side there's a nice crystal with a moon bead and a little star charm. Now this one is a bit different. This is a choker that's sort of like a Western bolo. It goes round in the normal choker shape and size. It goes down to a nice bead and then it splits apart and goes down, and I've attached some little stars and beads at the bottom. So it's not exactly country and Western, but you know what I mean when I say it's like a cowboy bolo. Again, a nice chain here, different sort of chain with a little peacock picture that I've put under the glass. That middle one, that's just a single earring that got broken, and I've sewn it onto a little piece of black velvet. And again, the moon and the star charm there, I really like that iconography, and I've put it on triple chain with some beads. Now these are lovely. I've put a little tiny document that I wrote on and dyed inside the bottle with a little cross, and then in the other bottle just a little diamante charm. These I find adorable. I actually got them in Claire's, believe it or not. This was one of the first ones I ever made. I cut out the words from a book. This one is just a plain skull charm, and he's just attached to a chain. This other one, again, it's a transfer where you rub it down onto a bit of paper, and I've put that underneath the glass cabochon and attached a star and a moon and some beads. This one here is a double necklace. It's got like a crystal charm on one bit, and on the other bit I've taken a wooden bead and covered it with glitter nail varnish, which looks quite nice, and then just a bit of old jewellery on the bottom. Again, another moon charm, but I've hung a diamante onto that. And this one, it looks like it came like that, but it's just a heart charm, and I've stuck 2 of those little wings on it. Now these ones all started life at Claire's. This one I've attached a little boo ghost to, so that's quite a fun one. This middle one I've attached the Death's Head lady to, and it's on lace. There's a bow that I've put on there, a little crystal charm and a little pointy hangy thing. So that, as I say, started life at Claire's. And so did this other one. It originally just had black stars on it, but when I saw this little, it's actually a button, which is a glass ball filled with multicoloured holographic stars, I had to get it and put it onto a choker. And I've added some little silver star charms as well, but that little glass thing is just too adorable. Now this one is a purple ribbon with some lace sewn on and a blue charm that I painted. Doesn't look very purple on camera, but it is. This one I'm never sure about. I'd love your opinion on this. It says Nevermore, the old Edgar Allan Poe again, and it's got the raven skull, but I'm not sure about those letters. They were the only ones I had at the time, so not really sure about that. This one I do like. This is part of the waistband of a PVC skirt that I once liked. And then I just cut it up, sewed some lace onto it, put the heart charm on the front. And the final one is a lovely bat charm there. He's an alchemy bat, I think, off the top of my head. And the actual choker is made from an old belt. So I cut it down. Once the ends of it had got too rough to even use anymore, I cut it up, stuck some lace on it, and turned it into a choker. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you have a go at making your own jewellery.